to my BTD6 video. Today we are trying to black border monkey meadow. Here we go, guys. If you want to friend me and want to play with me, make sure you will hit the like button and subscribe. And comment on this video you want to be friended with me. If you don't have it, here's a showcase of all of the monkeys. Come on, let's play. What? Huh? Oh. No thank you, actually. Oh, yeah. You know, I never posted a BTD6 video. By the way, the mic is on, so... And also, I can show my text here. I think I need like a test drop here, guys. Thanks. I choose. So basically, you want me guys to. So I never seen the comments of you of my post. I might make a both Dreams TD6 or Roblox. Hello subscribers, if you are watching this, better hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Subscribe people, hit the like button please. I will appreciate that. As I was saying, we're blackboarding this. Also, my friend code at the end of the video. Okay, guys? So we're on round 25 and we're going good. If you guys say I made a mistake, sorry about there. Would you like a veteran or something or a higher level than me? What's up inside here? Fruit of the storm, coming right up. More monkey coming soon. Oh no. Oh well. Another 100. Well, Possum, you, my friend code, since we failed, I will retry again soon. So here's my friend code. I will see you soon, guys.